Today we're installing classic railings on Habitat for Humanity house in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. It's just a great cause, and we're doing a little team building here today. And yeah, so we'll put up some Patriot Posts, some post wrap, smooth post wrap, and classic straight and stair railing.
We've been helping put railing, porch and deck railing up for actually the last couple of years. And yeah, it's a great organization for a good cause in Sheboygan County.
Habitat for Humanity-Lakeside and Habitat for Humanity in general, we partner with the community to build the homes. The whole model is that we bring people together. Polyvinyl and color guard is part of that. We bring people together and funds together. We build the home for the family in need, and they're able to attain that home in a zero interest mortgage that we hold. So their mortgage is actually paying back into the program to build more. So the more we build, the more we can build.
It's important to us to be engaged in the community for Sheboygan County. As a manufacturer, it's great to get employees engaged in putting up our porch and deck railing, just to help out the community and help others so that we can continue to grow.
Habitat for Humanity is a great organization that offers affordable housing to those that may not be able to afford their own homes.
And without community partners that provide in-kind donations of railings, and in the case of Polyvinyl and color guard, labor for installing those railings, it would be unaffordable for us to build homes for these families.